Getting a product shipped is not the finish line. It's the beginning of the device's real story. The moment your device enters actual clinical environments across different hospitals, climates, workflows, reprocessing routines, and user populations, you finally learn how it behaves under true operating conditions. Post-market surveillance is where theory meets reality and where your device begins teaching you what still needs to evolve. Real-world use uncovers insights you cannot see in verification testing or controlled usability sessions. Complaints reveal patterns of user confusion, mechanical wear, unexpected interactions, or environmental stresses. Service and repair data show which components fail first, which tolerances drift, and which assemblies require redesign. Usage analytics, whether from connected features or manual tracking, reveal how often modes are used, how long procedures truly take, how training gaps appear, and how the device adapts to a range of clinical preferences. Even supplier changes can introduce subtle variations that must be tracked and evaluated. All this information feeds directly back into your ongoing risk assessment. Post-market surveillance ties into ISO 14971, ISO 13485, EU MDR, and FDA expectations for lifecycle safety. When field data suggests new hazards, increased frequencies, or emerging trends, you must analyze them, update your risk file, and determine whether corrective or preventive actions are needed. The strength of your PMS program determines how quickly you detect small issues before they grow into recalls, warning letters, or reputation damage. But PMS isn't only about preventing problems, it reveals opportunities. New accessories, improved ergonomics, upgraded materials, refined workflows, and future product variants often come directly from field feedback. Real-world insight becomes a competitive edge, informing next-generation development and building stronger relationships with clinicians and hospitals who see you responding to their needs. The best manufacturers use post-market surveillance as a continuous improvement engine, not a regulatory checkbox. They treat field data as a strategic asset. They close the loop between real-world performance and design evolution, strengthening safety, reliability, and customer trust over the life of the product. At Concise Engineering, we build PMS programs that integrate field data directly into risk management, design updates, and long-term product strategy. By connecting the dots between what happens in the field and what happens in engineering, we help teams keep products safe, competitive, and aligned with real clinical needs. Let's keep learning and keep improving.